Hello students. Today we will discuss about topic 5, that is the uses of national income. The national income have the following importance. Number 1 is our economic policy formulation. National income estimates are the most comprehensive measures of aggregate income activity in an economy. National income estimates helps one to know and understand the aggregate yield of the economy, which in turn assist in laying down future course of action for socio-economic development. As such, national income figures and data are the important tools of macroeconomic analysis and policy formulation in the hands of the government. Number second use of the importance is the accurate understanding of economic structure. National income data and statistics enables one to have a correct understanding about the structure of the economy. It helps us to know and understand the relative importance of the various sectors of the economy and the extent of their contribution towards aggregate income generated in an economy. The study of national income data thus help us to learn how income is generated and how it is distributed, how much is expended, level of taxation. Number third is our economic planning. The government of an economy cannot possibly frame a feasible plan without having a broader knowledge of the trends in national income of that nation. Considering this, national income statistics are the most important tool for long-term and short-term economic planning of every economy. The Planning Commission of the Indian economy also keeps in view of the trends in national income while formulating the five-year plan. Number four thing importance is inflationary and deflationary policy formulation. High amounts of inflation or deflation both have adverse implication of an economy. National income and national product data enable one of have a general idea of the inflationary and deflationary gaps. For accurate and timely formulation and execution of the anti-inflationary and deflationary policies, we need regular estimates of the national income. Number fifth is national expenditure distribution. The study of national income data helps one to understand as to how national expenditure is distributed between consumption expenditure and investment expenditure. And from this point of view, the national income studies enable one to provide for a reasonable amount of depreciation in order to maintain the capital stock of a particular society or community. Number six is distribution of government grant in aids. National income estimate helps to provide for a fair and equitable distribution of grants in aid by the central government to the state governments and other constituent units. Number seventh important is rising the standard of living. National income studies helps the government to make a comparative study of the standards of living of people residing in different countries and of the people living in the same country at different time period. This helps the government to take appropriate measures by raising the standard of living of the citizens of that country. Number eight is international spheres. National income studies are important in the international sphere. National income estimates helps to distribute the burden of international payment equitably among different nations. National income statistics also assist in determining the subscriptions of different countries to the international organization like UNO, IMF, IBRD, etc. Number ninth importance is budgetary policy. Government of every economy in today's modernized world tries to prepare its budget by using national income statistics. Government tries to formulate anti-cyclical policies according to the facts revealed by the national income statistics. The taxation and borrowing policies are framed in such a way so as to avoid fluctuations in the national income as far as possible. Number 10th use is public and private sector. National income statistics enable us to know the relative roles of the public and private sector in the growth and development process of the economy. This in turn help us to understand the level of dominance of each of these sectors. Then defense and development. National income static help us to divide the national product between defense and development purposes. From the fact and resource valuable, we can easily analyze how much can be expended for defense purposes out of the total national revenue generated. Thank you.